We're going to create a very insane automation using this new image generation model. But yeah, this is going to be so cool. We're going to create a Telegram image creation bot. And yeah, let's start right away. Just sign up to N10. They give you 15 days free. We can name our automation. So let's name it to see. We have put this title Telegram image generator. So let's go with this, and the workflow has been successfully created. And click on the add first step, and let's add a trigger, right? And this trigger should be a Telegram one. And as you can see, we're going to go to trigger and on message. So when someone sends you a message, that's what it means. For setting up Telegram, you can go to these docs and go through this docs so that you can set up Telegram successfully. But yeah, you can put your access token. For now, I'll just keep this, and yeah, let's execute this step. So you'll connect a bot when you actually go ahead for creating this, right? You'll actually create a bot, right, while you're setting up the trigger. So go to that bot, and now as you can see, let's click start, and then we can go and say we can turn this on, execute step, and then we say hi, node executed successfully. So once this is executed, you know that you have set up your Telegram trigger successfully. Now what we need to do is add something called AI agent. We can go define below, and we say execute this, clean this. Let's send the message. I again send create an image of a dinosaur. Gemini seems to be working good. Go to Telegram. Let's send a message. And if there is some different kind of setup here, I think, as I remember, you can go to the docs here and then again go ahead and guide yourself. So you can just put the ID in here. You can just drag the ID and plug that in here. The text as this JSON output. So guys, I actually figured out that if you use a tool, it can't give a very good output, like the AI agent can't give a good output. So what you can do is actually duplicate this. Okay, so you just go here and duplicate this, and we're just going to break this, and we're going to add this in the workflow. Now we're going to name this as a check for image is this is done. We again do the duplicate, we do the connect, and now we're going to actually add a if node. So if boolean is true, if it's true, break this. If it's false, just send this, and if it's true, add a Gemini. And then add something like generate an image. Great. So now what we're going to do is after clicking on generate an image, connect that credential. And if I haven't showed you how to connect a credential, just grab a key from aistudio.google.com, and then what you do is put image, generate image, by id model slash Gemini 2.5 flash image preview. And yeah, now we're going to execute the previous nodes once again, and then we'll put image of a dinosaur in, and then this is the same dinosaur. So I put create. Woo, that was fast. Make sure to keep this true. Yeah, so also remove the part of the Gemini 2.5 how to use that tool part. Now I think we'll need to run this once more cause I put false instead of true here. And yeah, let's try this. So guys, to continue after the Telegram node, you need to create something called HTTP request, and once that's done, you change this to post and put in this URL over here, https column slash slash api.telegram.org slash bot, and then put your token you might have received from a bot father. And then what you need to do is after you pasted your token and then slash send a photo, you need to go and toggle on send body and put it to form data. Then again put form data, then write chat id, and then from the trigger, you have a chat id, right? You just need to put that chat id and then go to na10 and then switch this to na10 binary file, name this photo, put data. Yeah, and here make sure this is data. And once that's done, let's test this out. So execute it. As you can see, I told it to create a 911 car cartoonish, and boom, this 911 is cartoonish. I just like this so much. Wow, this is insane. So guys, I hope you liked today's insane video about how to connect Nano Banana with an AI agent and NA10. This was so cool. Bye guys. See you next time. Peace.